Hey everyone, my name's Nicole and I'm going to be going over with you the Crayola erasable colored pencils. That way you can decide if you want to buy it or not. So this is the box that it comes with. There are 50 colored pencils that have erasers, and these are all the colors that are in the box. A cool feature about this is it was made with reforested wood. So to open the box, it's just here on the sides, and they're organized by these four little organizers in here. They look like this, all the little colors in there, and then the bottoms look like this with just like a regular pencil with an eraser at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and draw something. It's super smooth to draw with, and then erase it so you can see what it looks like, and it's completely erased. So if you guys are interested in these little erasable colored pencils, they actually work, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you.